Have you ever pondered the enigma of existence? It's a question as old as humanity itself, a riddle woven into the very fabric of our consciousness. What is reality? Who are we truly beneath the layers of perception and societal construct? These are the mysteries that have perplexed and fascinated us since the dawn of time. Enter philosophy, the love of wisdom, a discipline dedicated to probing these enigmas, to unraveling the threads of existence and reality. Philosophy is the audacious attempt to understand the world, the self, and the intricate dance between the two. Among those who dared to venture into this realm of thought, one figure looms large. His name echoes through the ages, a beacon of intellectual audacity and a testament to the power of questioning. A philosopher, a teacher, a pioneer who dared to challenge the status quo, and in doing so, forever altered the course of human thought. Enter Plato, a man who dared to question everything. Born in Athens, Greece, around 428 BC, Plato's early life paved the way for his philosophical journey. A scion of a wealthy and politically active family, Plato was born into the very fabric of Athenian society. His education was as rich and diverse as his lineage, steeped in the arts of music, gymnastics, and poetry, fostering a well-rounded intellect. This era of Athens was a hotbed of intellectual discourse, and Plato found himself amidst the greatest minds of his time. One such intellect was Socrates, a philosopher who would leave an indelible mark on young Plato. Socrates' unique approach to philosophy, his relentless pursuit of truth, and his unwavering commitment to ethical conduct struck a chord with Plato. The influence of Socrates on Plato's early life was profound, molding his perception of the world and setting him on a path of philosophical exploration. The stage was set for Plato's philosophical awakening. The profound influence of Socrates on Plato's philosophical thinking cannot be overstated. Socrates, the enigmatic sage of Athens, took young Plato under his wing, sparking a meeting of minds that would forever alter the course of philosophical thought. This mentor-mentee relationship was not just about sharing wisdom, but about challenging and inspiring the other, nurturing a mutual quest for knowledge and truth. Socrates' teachings, his method of constant questioning, his relentless pursuit of wisdom, all left an indelible mark on Plato's intellectual canvas. However, it was Socrates' execution that truly shook Plato to his core. This event, a grim testament to the ignorance and fear of the masses, left Plato disillusioned with the democratic system of governance. Socrates' death was a turning point, steering Plato towards his philosophical path. It ignited in him a passion to challenge the status quo and to seek a more enlightened, just society. This pivotal moment was the catalyst that set Plato on his path to becoming one of the greatest philosophers of all time. Plato's thirst for knowledge led to the creation of the first ever institution of higher learning, the Academy. This was no ordinary school. It was a haven for those with an insatiable hunger for wisdom and understanding. Established in the heart of Athens around 387 BC, the Academy was a testament to Plato's commitment to the pursuit of knowledge. Its purpose? To fuel the flames of curiosity and foster critical thinking. And what a remarkable job it did. The Academy was a hub for subjects as diverse as philosophy, mathematics, and astronomy, shaping minds and nurturing thinkers who would go on to change the world. And its impact? Immense. The Academy's influence reached far beyond the borders of ancient Greece, its teachings resonating with future generations of scholars, scientists, and philosophers. It laid the groundwork for the modern educational system, setting a precedent for the importance of inquiry and intellectual exploration. The Academy was a beacon of knowledge, illuminating minds for centuries. Plato's philosophical contributions continue to influence our thoughts and ideas even today. With a mind that seemed to transcend the confines of time, Plato grappled with concepts that remain central to philosophical discourse. One of his most renowned philosophies is the theory of forms. Plato proposed that our tangible world is merely a shadow of a higher, intangible reality. This reality, he suggested, is composed of ideal, perfect forms of the things we perceive in our physical world. A tree, a horse, beauty, goodness. Each of these, in Plato's perspective, has an ideal form existing in a realm beyond our senses. This vision of a world beyond the observable is not just a metaphysical proposal, it also forms the basis of Plato's theory of knowledge. Plato argued that true knowledge is not obtained through sensory experience, but rather it is through the intellect that we comprehend the forms. Our senses, he believed, could deceive us with mere shadows of the truth. And it's not just metaphysics and epistemology that bear the imprint of Plato's thought. His philosophies have cast long shadows over various fields. In politics, his work, The Republic, offers an ideal state ruled by philosopher kings, a vision that has intrigued political thinkers for centuries. Plato's influence extends to psychology. His tripartite theory of the soul, dividing it into reason, spirit and appetite, laid the groundwork for many psychological theories. In education, Plato's belief in the importance of knowledge for virtuous action has shaped pedagogical principles. His emphasis on dialectical method and critical thinking continues to inspire educational practices. Plato's philosophies, like a prism, refract our understanding of the world into a multitude of perspectives. They challenge us to look beyond the surface, to question, to seek the ideal forms amidst the shadows of our existence. Plato's philosophies, a mirror into the human mind and our reality, continue to shape our understanding of the world. Plato's legacy, his ideas and his teachings continue to resonate in our world today. His philosophical inquiries have left indelible footprints on the sands of time, shaping the course of human thought and understanding. Plato's philosophies are not confined to dusty books or secluded classrooms, but they breathe and thrive in our everyday lives. Whether it's in the realm of politics, ethics or metaphysics, the echo of Plato's voice can be heard. His idea of the Philosopher King inspires leadership. His theory of forms challenges our perception of reality, and his concepts of justice and virtue guide our moral compass. Plato's teachings, like an eternal flame, continue to illuminate the minds of thinkers, philosophers and scholars around the globe. His philosophies, akin to a compass, guide us through the labyrinth of life's questions. Plato, a man who dared to question, a man who dared to think, left us a legacy that continues to enlighten us, and so we continue to question, to ponder, to explore the enigma of existence.